Hi there. Today I'm taking you guys to an inspection on the property we snatched on yesterday. So this property came on the market 2 days ago, and there wasn't even a for sale sign on the property yet. I quickly scheduled to see the property with my buyer client, and we made an offer, and guess what? We got the deal. Acting fast in the real estate market is crucial, especially in popular areas. And that's exactly what I did. I snagged an amazing deal for them. What if the buyer can't see the property right away? No problem. I will just go to the property by myself and take a video and lock up the deal. To be honest with you, if I were the listing agent, I wouldn't accept the first offer right away, especially in this seller's market. Why? Because creating a bidding war can potentially net the seller an additional $20,000 or $30,000 over asking. But in this case, the seller accepted our offer, which worked out perfectly for my buyer client. And I'm very happy for this buyer because they've been searching for homes without an agent for a year, and we started working together like 2 weeks, and I got them a deal. Okay, now let's talk about inspection. Inspector usually starts with exterior. They check for missing, damaged, or aging shingles, signs of leaks, and the condition of roof flashing, gutters, and downspouts. And they look for cracks, damage, or signs of water intrusion in the foundation. And they also check the condition of the siding, whether it's wood, vinyl, brick, or another material is assessed for damage or decay. And they also check for evidence of termite damage or infestation, as well as other pests that might compromise the structure. Now for the interior inspection. In winter, they could only check the heating system. And they also check the electrical system. It includes checking the electrical panel, wiring, outlets, and light fixtures for safety and code compliance. In plumbing, inspectors examine pipes, fixtures, and water heaters for leaks, corrosion, and proper functionality. They also check all the appliances, built-in or included appliances like ovens, dishwashers, and laundry machines are tested. And this property has unfinished bathroom, and we're gonna recheck on the final walkthrough in this case. An inspector also look for smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and any safety-related items. So an inspection usually takes an hour or two, depending on the size and the issues the home might have. And right after the inspection, the inspector is gonna tell you what exactly the main issue is gonna be and what issues you can actually negotiate with the seller to lower the price or get the credit from the seller. But those issues must be related to safety or functionality. Just cosmetic issues are not negotiable. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching. Hi, my client here.
Hello, how are you?
Did I talk to you this morning?
Yes.
Okay.
We get calls and emails every day of people just like you looking for help buying and selling in New York, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're buying in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you to make a smooth move to New York.